it's another track video. We haven't done one in a long time. So, here we go. Happy Christmas to you all, even though this video might go out a couple days later. Hope you got loads of Hot Wheels, but today, me and my cousin
Vigga
are going to be using 17 metres of track, 2 boosters, and over here, curved pieces of track and a splitting lane to build this huge track that we've come up with. So we're going to start off in this room here, and then we're going to curve and then go down the stairs, curve around and into the living room, curve around, hit the booster, go up over a massive ramp and come down to the end over here. So, without further ado, let's get started on building. Okay, so we're back now and we've basically finished the track, because now we've got all of this has stayed the same except down here we've modified it a bit so the track goes underneath. And then we've moved the booster to there to give it power to go up here, round the corner, snaking through here, and then to the finish line just here.
right, which will basically be through that gap.
So, we're gonna get some footage on this track now, after finally like 2 hours of work. Yes, then.
Finally!
All the way to the bottom. I mean, the end is there. There's the car, close enough, made it through all of this and up there, all by itself. How amazing is that? So, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Whee!
And who knows when the next track video will be. Hopefully sometime soon, but yeah.
Butt cups.
Bye.